Next up, you have me, Lavette Minn. This is her flip-flopping on me. But I want to take you back to 2021 when Emme Rain praised me for being a branding expert and having the ability to help individuals successfully build their businesses. So I want you to check out these posts here. This is a post that Emme Rain made back in July of 2021 promoting her Crown of Excellence Expo. This particular one was promoting me as one of the speakers, and I'll go ahead and read her caption. It says, "I'm one of those people who tip my hat when folks deserve it. Lavette Minn is a beast in business, branding, and social proof. She took a few classes, but in our personal interactions, I realized all she needed was the magic because her knowledge base is extensive and she's dynamic in her approach. No nonsense and actionable info always on the ready. She's bringing the heat, and if you ever wanted a business, wanted to be bossed up, don't miss this event. Only a few tickets left for in-person event. We also have digital access tickets available. Come get this motherfucking work." Then fast forward to the day of the expo. While I was on stage, Emme Rain puts up a post and says, "They are killing it, but Lavette Minn straight giving all the tea on starting a business and the basic brand setup. Damn, this is worth $1,000 of information. Some of y'all got caught slipping." But fast forward to now, all of a sudden, Emme Rain started attacking me once she figured out that I pulled away from her after clearly seeing that, she was full of shit and she didn't really mess with me in that way. And the attack started. Matter of fact, I don't even have to tell the story. I can show you better than I can tell you. So check out this clip.
At one point, I was really supportive of Lavette because you know what? She's a smart ass bitch. And I ain't gonna take that from her. She has a lot of training. I'm not gonna take that from her either. But she is a bullshitting ass motherfucker. And that's just what it is. She two-faced, she easily threatened, she's competitive than a motherfucker, and she's a dog. Okay? And that's just what it is. So when I see potential, I try to build potential. I'm not really moved about what's around it because some people are really fucked up because they don't know who they are or how great they could be. So, I'll give them a chance and an opportunity. So I was supporting Lavette. Listen, at my event that I did, I was very, very interested in lifting up Lavette Minn because I believed in her ability to teach business. I really believed in her ability to elevate other people. And so I did. But even at my own event that I invited her to be a speaker at was some bullshit. And it's been bullshit. Several of my apprentices.
This is textbook manipulation, and it's also called control credibility. First, she will build someone up only when it benefits her, and also when she can position herself as the one who discovered them. But the moment that person no longer serves her agenda, she discredits them to maintain control over her audience's perception. The switch up is undeniable. One moment, Lavette Minn is a beast. She's a great branding expert. She can help you build your business. And then the next minute, she's downplaying my credibility and my expertise. So which one is it? So it was very important for me to highlight this so that people can see how wishy-washy she is, and also to sound the alarm, because no one is safe. No one is safe. She'll love bomb you, manipulate you, make you feel like you're so important, you're doing a great job, you're successful, she supports you. And then when you no longer serve a purpose to her agendas, she launches a public humiliation campaign, a smear campaign, in addition to spiritually attacking you. So trying to affect your health, launching attacks against innocent people, family members, friends, people that don't even know that she exists. She hits your money, right? So then people start experiencing their money being swallowed up. Now they're dealing with their car being repossessed, them, potentially being evicted, and just this downward spiral of hitting rock bottom when she is ready to discard of you. People like this are really dangerous. So now that she is moving into the entertainment space as a talent manager, I honestly think this is her pivoting in a new direction, because in the spiritual community, outside of her cult-like following, in the spiritual community, people are now becoming aware of her tactics and her rituals and her cycles, because it's the same thing, and it's usually during the same time of the year, every year. So I am going to continue to sound the alarm. I am going to continue to expose what I can expose as I come across certain information, so that everyone attached to her that doesn't truly know who Emme Rain is, because now she's branding herself as Lucretia Moore, new identity, so that they're aware before they make any decisions on partnering with her and having any sort of proximity to her. Okay? So all in all, Emme Rain is a master illusionist, selling the ideas of success through creating illusions, which I have coined as marketing magic. And if you're not careful, you may just get enchanted by her illusions. Because, I will say she is a profound speaker. She speaks very well. She definitely has the gift of gab. And because she has the gift of gab, it's very easy for her to persuade and influence those that come in contact with her. So as I always like to say, stay vigilant and stay discerning. Okay? All right. If you found this breakdown as eye-opening, please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Yes, Shara and I are currently on hiatus right now. We'll be back soon with season 2. But I wanted to do this breakdown because I have my foot on Emme Rain's neck. And I'm not letting it up. This is something that she has affirmed. This is something that she has wanted. But most importantly, this is something that she needs. So this is just something that I wanted to put out in the interim. But Shara and I will be back very soon. So thank you so much for tuning in, and I'll see you on the flip side.
Thank you for watching another episode of Deceptive Figures Exposed.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Until next time, stay discerning and vigilant.